Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking an app that supports real-time or recorded voice effects and ensuring your microphone matches the app's input requirements. Once installed, grant microphone and storage permissions so the app can process and save files. Record a 10-20-second baseline sample to compare changes. This helps you hear exactly what the app alters and why those settings matter for pitch, timbre, and clarity. Now you dig into controls. Choose real-time if you need live output or post-processing for detailed edits. Adjust pitch first, then tweak format to change perceived vocal size. EQ and light reverb add presence without sounding synthetic. Use a preset close to your goal as a starting point, then make incremental changes while listening to the baseline. This prevents overprocessing and keeps naturalness. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert if a change degrades clarity. Finish by exporting a high-quality file or routing the app as your system input for calls and streams. Normalization keeps volume consistent across platforms. Test the voice in the exact context where you'll use it. Record a clip, join a test call, or run through your streaming setup to confirm latency and clarity. If you hear distortion or clipping, lower input gain, disable the heaviest effects, and update audio drivers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.